Meghalaya Governor Satpal Malik's remarks have made headlines. We are joined by the Meghalaya Governor and we'll take his reaction on what he really meant when he said that the Prime Minister was arrogant. Sir, while commenting on the farm laws, you said you had a meeting with the Prime Minister. Now, what went on in the meeting that you really felt that the Prime Minister was arrogant at that point of time?
No, I did not use this word arrogant. What I meant was that his attitude was ideal, means as if they will not listen to the farmers' demand or my viewpoint. And I came back from there that no, he is not ready to listen.
You said you had a fight with him or you had an argument with him.
Argument need to make a difference of opinion.
A difference of opinion. What did you try to tell him when you had that meeting? At that time, it was peak of the protest and the farmers were on the streets.
I told him that if you think that these Sikhs can be defeated, it's not possible. They will not leave unless matters are sorted out. And same is with the Jats. So, and don't use force on them, and don't send them empty-handed. Do something and then send them.
Now, you also hail from Western UP and you've been a part of the grassroots politics there. How at that point of time when the sentiments were running high, did the Prime Minister receive an opinion of yours which was completely adverse to what the government was advocating? Because the Prime Minister had advocated that these farm laws were the benefit of the farmers. How did the Prime Minister respond to your request?
You know, his response was that no, nothing doing, sort of thing.
Because you're known to talk very, very sharply and very bluntly in terms of factually quoting whatever has happened. And you did say in that the video that is out that the Prime Minister in fact was not ready to listen to you and उनका रवैया अड़ियल था और उन्होंने बोला कि अमित शाह से जाके मिलो.
Yes, he advised me to meet Amit Shah. Actually, he telephoned Amit Shah that he said, Satpal is coming, you meet him. So I straightway went to Amit Shah. He was receptive, but he said, we have to convince Prime Minister. You keep meeting him, I am also talking to him.
He also mentioned that there were people who are advising him wrongly, or perhaps giving him not the right picture on this issue.
He not exactly, but he said all sort of opinion coming to him. So you also keep meeting. I will also talk to him.
But he seemed to agree to your view.
No. Amit Shah was very respectful to Prime Minister. They have got very good working relationship. But his opinion was that let us keep working on Prime Minister.
He also mentioned that he doesn't listen and he works on his. You use some words of that sort that he.
I did not say that. He only indicated that some forces are working on him. So we should also work on him. I'll talk to him. You talk to him. You keep meeting him.
Because generally the Home Minister is supposed to share a very cordial relationship with the Prime Minister. But on this ground, they were not on the same page, perhaps.
They were on the same page. They were on the same page, but he was worried about extraneous forces who were working on him.
Right. But you really thought that, because you also said that it's difficult for the BJP leaders and the Prime Minister to go to villages, because the
Prime Minister is very honorable post and person. He can go anywhere, but BJP ministers were not able to enter any Western UP village in last 4 months. And in Haryana, Chief Minister and Dushyant Chautala could not land their helicopter anywhere.
So do you think that this U-turn that the government really did on the farm laws, the image of the BJP and the popularity of the Prime Minister took a very poor beating?
No, after PM took these laws back and the language he used, after that there is a lot of softness about him and people are not complaining anything.
After that meeting that you had, did you have any other meetings with the Prime Minister? How is the relationship that you really share with him now? Is he receptive to your views now on the farm laws and also on the MSP?
No, I have not met him, and I don't intend to meet him because Kisan leaders are meeting. It is their job, not mine, all the time. But I went to him as his faithful worker who will give right advice to him. But when I saw that no, there is no use, then I decided not to meet.
Because somehow you've emerged as one of the strongest critics of the BJP government and Prime Minister Modi.
Then I started talking outside, and that was not his criticism. That was my opinion. And my opinion was that this will, and whatever I said, that benefited him because they left entire turf to the opposition. Opposition was going everywhere. BJP people were not able to go anywhere. They cannot enter in the villages. So what I was talking can be used and was used by people that look, there is somebody in BJP who's talking about us.
Why were the other leaders mum, do you think, that they couldn't be as brave as you to speak out?
I don't want to comment on them. It is their job.
Well, because what was on your mind? Did you think that for once that your governorship could be at stake, or, you know, because you were really running on the opposite direction of what the government wanted?
You should be very clear about me. In politics, I have resigned 3 times on issues. In VP Singh's government, before that, and when Bofors was there, me and Muftiji resigned from Rajya Sabha. I was ready to resign from governorship the day one. But when PM or Amit Shah's desire, कि you leave, I will leave. Otherwise, I'll try to make situation good for them.
You're a well-wisher of them.
Yeah,
Are you still mulling a resignation? Or?
No. If they say I'll leave in a day, I won't take any time.
And you haven't got any message of that sort?
No. They have never, even they have never expressed displeasure. And iske liye I am very thankful to them that they have not said anything about my utterances.
Thank you, sir. You've been very kind to respond to all the questions. And there, Satpal Malik, Governor of Meghalaya, speaking exclusively to India Today, putting his views in perspective, saying that though the Prime Minister's view was Ariel, but perhaps now with the U-turn as far as the farm laws are concerned, the popularity of the PM is intact. With video journalist Hitesh, this is Mosmi Singh in Delhi for India Today.